Hello students, I am Dr. S. C. Das, Faculty of Commerce, Banaras Hindu University, Varanasi, UP. I have designed one of the important course which is equally important for commerce, management and social science, especially psychology. The course is Advanced Organizational Behavior. I have been teaching this subject more than 15 years, having research experience in this field more than 20 years. The course is very important in the sense it covers three important aspects: basics, advanced and research. Let us start the basics of organizational behavior. As you know students, organizational behavior is nothing. It is understanding the role of human being or so called behavior of human being in organizational setting. It examines the relationship between individual, groups and organization to understand the role of human beings, individuals especially and groups, how do they interact each other and what way they perform their tasks in excellent way, so that organizational efficiency, organizational performance and organizational effectiveness is achieved. In basics part of organizational behavior, you will be studying three different issues. It is individual behavior dynamics, which covers perception, attitudes, motions, how this thing affect on behavior. Second important part under basic, you will be studying group behavior dynamics, interpersonal behavior dynamics. These particular cases, you will be studying what way group to be formed and what the group cohesiveness, what is the interpersonal relationship, interpersonal behavior and what way groups performs, interact with each other, which ultimately aims to increase operational efficiency, job satisfaction and organizational effectiveness. Third important part under basics, you will be studying organizational dynamics. In organizational dynamics, you will be studying organizational culture, organizational climate, organizational change, organizational conflict. Every aspect of organizational dynamics helps you to understand the role of culture which shape the behavior and what is the causes of conflict among the different group of individual which ultimately affect the performance of organization. Now students, as I told, this course having three parts. First part is over, which is basics, and second part, which is much important, that is advanced organizational behavior. And it is the course what I mean to introduce before you. Advanced organizational behavior is nothing, understanding concepts, models and practice of organizational behavior in particular setting. We just want to know exactly under advanced organizational behavior what way some contemporary issues which can be resolved by using some advanced part of organizational behavior. Advanced organizational behavior, by name itself, it is very much clear. You have to learn exactly what are the various models, theories, concepts are there basically, which supposed to change, which supposed to modify to excel the performance of individuals and groups. In this particular cases, you will be studying lot of contemporary issues like as diversity, equity and inclusion. Students, not only DEI, you will be also learning some other parts which is much important, employee experience and resilience. One more important things under advanced part, which is toxic workplace behavior, which is much important students, because nowadays we are observing different kinds of incivility, ostracism and withdrawal behavior, cynicism, lot of negative behavior emerge, that because of there is absence of good leader-member relationship. So, this part also we will discuss in this particular segment, that is the part of advanced organizational behavior. Not only that, we will also study organizational citizenship behavior, which is one of the important part. Students, try to understand, only task performance is not enough. When employees behave in task performance, what is the output? But when employees performs extra role, and what kind of improvement in organizations? What are the different part of organizational citizenship behavior? That is also the part of advanced organizational behavior. Then many more things, organizational citizenship behavior, DEI. Not only this thing, we will also learning this particular part, leadership style, because leadership style improve the organizational behavior and employees performance. So many different types of leadership style, advanced part, I have incorporated this particular course, like as authentic leadership, servant leadership. This is much important nowadays. What way servant leadership transform the entire work culture. So, these are all the part of advanced part. As I told, this course having 3 different contexts. Basics already I have narrated, then advanced part already I have said how advanced part improve the efficiency of employees as well as organizations. But one more important thing which is part of the research, we need to discuss exactly what way research to be conducted in the field of organizational behavior, which is advanced part. We try to give complete picture of organizational behavior research, starting from problem identification and problem formulation. Of course, you will be studying what are the research design required in the field of organizational behavior research. Now, see, in the case of research methods in organizational behavior, which is the third part of advanced organizational behavior, these particular cases we will discuss exactly what are the analytical methods are required basically to do very affluent research in the field of organizational behavior research. Apart from that, we need to identify that what type of material, methods and measures, 3M which I express, 3M in research segment of advanced organizational behavior. These cases, what are the materials required to do research in the field of organizational behavior? Similarly, what are the methods to be adopted for organizational behavior research? Method means what way we just identify some of analytical tools, different softwares. Ultimately, you will be knowing different types of emerging topics, which is I will supposed to explain in organizational behavior research. So, there is capsule package, that means comprehensive understanding of basics to advanced part organizational behavior, advanced organizational behavior. I need to introduce this course again very affluent manner. This course having 12 modules, approx 60 lectures. Hopefully, this course will nurture your behavior. In particular, also organization is concerned. We have also mentioned good number of reference and research articles, which will help you basically to understand very systematic way to this paper, that is advanced organizational behavior. Students, it is my endeavor being a researcher or teacher in the field of organizational behavior, try to identify exact dimensions of organizational behavior and advanced organizational behavior. Finally, the research context. So, definitely this course will help you to do some research to improve your personality and also to understand the which various factors which affect on your individual dynamics, group dynamics or organizational dynamics. Thank you. See you soon.